Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love this leather conditioner from Leather Honey. It has absolutely saved my leather purses.
I really love my collection of leather purses, and I was so happy to find this leather conditioner that really was just such a treat for my bags. It helped make them nice and soft and supple again, and really helped condition. I have a lot of bags that are in all kinds of conditions. I love buying used or vintage, and these need some love. And with this leather conditioner, they will get that. It is so easy to use. As long as you follow the directions right on the back of the bottle, you're not going to have any issues. I thought this was a super easy process to work with, and I love how nice and soft my bags are afterwards. The color of the bags is not changed whatsoever. They just soak up all of this moisture and they are so happy afterwards, which means I'm happy.
If you want to make sure your favorite leather goods are staying nice and conditioned and looking amazing, this is the stuff for you, and that's my point of view.